the entire journey as well. So once again, a virtual networking and team formation session will take place at 8 o'clock in a bit. Instructions on how to join the space and the link to click and the password to it will be present on the participants guide, along with the access similarly at the calendar invite as well. So while the whole networking is going on and the team formation process, I'd just like to quickly cover how team formation will take place. First of all, I would like to encourage all of you to actually edit your profile, which can be found on the free agent directories for those who have registered on the participants guide. Basically, just click on edit profile, complete the form, and you'll be able to see that your profile has been updated with relevant information such as your skill sets, LinkedIn profile for people to kind of find out more about you. And you can always put in a short statement about an introduction about yourself as well. Basically, this will help people around to be able to understand more about yourself and to help you as well to find relevant team members to form a team if you have not done so. During the networking process or team formation process, if you have found the number of people that you would like to form teams with, you can always go to similarly free agents profile and click on register to join an existing team, to join someone who currently are in a team and you would just like to join them. If you have found fellow members that you want to create a team together with, then the alternative is to click on register a new team. And if you decide to go solo to do hacking, you will be able to just click on register a solo team to get going as well. The team number that we'll be looking at for the number of members in the team should not exceed 4. And of course, if you would like to do a solo hacking, feel free to register your own solo team. So for those who have already registered from the hackathon, basically an email should have been sent to your mailbox with all the relevant information, which includes the participants guide as well, the access to the participant guide and other relevant information that you need to go through as well. So if you have not done so, then the only way to be able to access the participant guide will be via registration process. So how to get started?